trying. You know I'd be lying, saying you're the one. Ooh, that could finally fix me. Looking at my history, I'm bad at love. Got a girl with California eyes, and I thought that she could really be the one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is like, I don't know, like dark vibes. Like if I had like a dollar for every time I said like, I'd be rich. Like I just put this hat on because it matches, like, but let's hop right into the video. Alright guys, so starting off, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution brow pomade in the shade Taupe, and I'm drawing on my brows. Now I'm carving out my brows to make them stand out more with the e.l.f. concealer on the glow side, and that'll basically, you know, just conceal your brows. The palette I'm using is the Profusion Cosmetics Confidence palette. The first shade is Secure, and I'm just gonna pat that in the crease and then blend it out so we get the right pigmentation. I'm taking a regular clean brush and I'm just blending that out so then it looks more seamless. Our second shade is Fireside, and I'm patting that deeper in the crease and keeping that more centered so that we have a deeper effect. Then going back in with that brush that I used to blend it out before, I'm just gonna blend them all together. Our last shade is Madly, and we're just going to place that even more centered in the crease and then blend her out. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer on the glow side and I'm just going to cut my crease. Taking Madly again, and I'm just blending out that harsh line. I'm taking Empire, and I'm just gonna place that where I cut my crease so that we have the shimmer effect. Taking Bite, I'm placing that still in the center of the crease, but blending that toward the outer crease so that it gives the ombre effect. Now I'm taking a wipe and I'm just sharpening the eyeshadow because it came out a little more rounded and I wanted it to look more clean. So this is a great technique. For lashes, I'm taking my Amora lashes in the style Attitude, and I'm applying them with my fingers because that is the only way I know how to apply lashes. Now, moving on to the next eye, I am taking all of the shades that I used in the first portion and just blending them all together so that it looks the exact same as the first eye. Here I am cutting my other crease with the e.l.f. concealer. And now I am applying my shimmer shadows on top of the concealer. Here I am blending that all together just so there are no harsh lines, and I am adding my other lash. For foundation, we are taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Banana, and I do not prime my face just because it just doesn't work out for me. So I just went right into foundation, but if you prime your face, go ahead and do that. Is it just me, or is there something satisfying about blending out your foundation on your face? Like, I don't know, comment. I could literally watch this all day. Going in with the e.l.f. concealer on the glow side, I'm just going to place that on all the places on my face that I want highlighted. Taking my Real Techniques Diamond Beauty Blender, and I'm just blending all of the concealer out. To set my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Loose Powder. Taking my Shop Miss A pressed powder, and I'm just gonna set my face with that. This wouldn't be my tutorial if I wasn't using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, so of course we're gonna dip into that for our contour. Sharpening my contour with the Maybelline Loose Powder. Taking my Tarte blush in the shade Paaarty, and this will really give my face much more of a warmer tone because the eyes are so warm itself, so this really helped even that out. Going back in with the shade Madly, and I'm just placing that on the lower lash line to really tie the eyes all together. For highlight, we are taking the Soph X Makeup Revolution highlighting palette, and I took the pink shade because you didn't really want to go with a cool tone with a very warm eye look. So I took the warmest tone there was, and this also really helped pull the eyes together with the skin. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Milkshake. So for some reason I thought a red eye would look good with a pink nude lip, and I don't know why I thought that because it just wasn't my type. So I ended up taking that right off using a makeup wipe, and then I dipped right into the NYX Cosmetics black liquid suede in Alien. And this, I don't know, this gave it a very dark themed. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like this. And if you do like it, leave a like down there, comment, subscribe. And I love you guys, like I say in every video. I love you guys. And I hope you like this tutorial. So I'll see you in the next one.